If you want to test your strategies, then look no further than TradingView, because TradingView is having its own platform, its own editor, Pine editor, where you can edit your strategies and test your strategies whether your strategies are profitable or not. It's simple to use with the use of AI. If you're using ChatGPT, Claude, or DeepSeek, or any of the editor or AI tool, then you can use the Pine editor and backtest your strategies. You just need to prompt the right thing in. So I'm here in ChatGPT. I already tested some of the strategies, but I will just code something totally new for you. So once you are in ChatGPT, you can say code a strategy where you will use uh, ex- exponential moving averages. I'm making scalping strategy, so I will just use it as a random strategy. So I will just use EMA 9 and 13 cross over. You have to keep in mind that once you will be using PineScript, you must use version 6. So if you will not use this, ChatGPT will give you version 5, because I think it's not updated or something like that. But always use version 6, because otherwise you'll get an error on your Pine editor. So once it will code you the strategy, you'll just wait. Now our strategy is ready. So what I will do, I will just copy the strategy, go to my trading view. Now I will open the chart. I want to backtest the strategy in, and I will go to products up here and then Pine editor. I will just remove this old. Otherwise you can just go and say create new strategy. Yes, I will just say this, my strategy's name, all these things. So I'll just say okay, add to chart. Once it will be added to chart, it will appear something like this. And now I can see that my profit, max equity drawdown, total trades it took, profitable trades, and profitability factor. Now I'll just click on the strategy up here, go to settings. I'll see how much capital I'm using. I will say $1,000. uh, I will just use 100% of my equity up here, and then I will just say okay. Now I can see the strategy is not profitable at all, but if I just see gold, let's see, 27% but still profitable. Let's see something on crude oil. No, I think Tesla, again 27%. If I just go on Forex pair, some other Forex pairs, pound dollar 20%. I can also filter down on different time frames. For example, I can click on list of trades. I can see how much trade is, how the trades looks like, and I can also see the specific trade it took. So I have a lot more information around here now. With the new update, we have a lot more information. If you want to test your strategies, then just use Pine editor. It will do the same things for you. So this is a really powerful tool, but you just have to keep in mind that just use version 6 and it will code it for you. Now in next video, I will show you how you can put your strategies in your MetaTrader 5 and use it as an bot itself. As you can see, I'm testing a lot of strategies, but it's still not profitable, but I'll show it to you in next video. Thanks for today.